Hey everyone, it's Brandon with Fire Training. I'm here with Alex and Vito, and we're going to talk about packing a 400-foot pre-connected load. Today we have 400 feet of Snap-tite Gladiator FGN, which is a 177 internal diameter. We're going to pair it up with a 160 at 50 Chief XD nozzle, and we're just going to go through the steps on how to get it racked up. First thing we need to decide is if our discharge is going to be on the front of the hose bed or the rear. If it's on the front, we connect it here. We run it down the length of the hose bed and we put the excess up on the cab or in the dunnage bin. For this purpose, we're going to say that the discharge is in the back. So what we're going to do is make the connection all the way at the end of the bed. Our next step is to take a male coupling and drop it down to the tailboard. So a quick thing to remember that is male to the tail. You want to leave enough length that you can come up and connect to it on the top. We're going to step on it, run it back. And from this point, we're just gonna flat lay it all the way up. We're gonna flat lay 100 feet. We also have this hose bed set up specifically for this type of load. Ideally, you would have 3 dividers in your hose bed, but if you don't have something like that, you still need to be able to have 3 sections of hose wide. Our next step is to take the male section, connect it in to this female section, and we're gonna continue to flat lay all the way up. If for some reason you don't have 3 of the dividers, you'd wanna do 100 and then 100 and then 50 and 50. It makes it a lot easier so you don't have to worry about 150 feet falling over. So now that we're up to 150 feet, we're gonna bring the male from the tail up onto the top and it's just gonna sit there. Now we're gonna do the same thing, male to the tail, start with the male section down on the tailboard. If you notice what he did there, he grabbed the bite just to make sure we have enough to get us all the way up on top. So we're at the end. We're just gonna leave this coupling sit up here. We'll make all the connections at the last part. The other thing we like to talk about is whether we're gonna wrap our nozzles or not. At Fire Training, we like to wrap any type of combination nozzle, which means we bring a fold of hose over the front of it. This is gonna be off the back of an engine, so all the road grime and debris, it helps keep that free and clean. So now we're on top, we're gonna make the connections. We wanna start from the discharge and work our way to the nozzle. We're gonna go over, connect it to the female, from the middle section to the nozzle section. And now we have 400 feet of pre-connected hose line, all of which are in the shoulder load. 150, 150, and 100.